Hi everyone, Michelle Gilmartin here, and I wanted to show you something in the desktop app version of Canvas Workspace. This has to do with the Vinyl Auto Blade Upgrade Kit. So, ironically enough, they put the designs here in the down here. So let me open it all the way. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a lot of the categories where, like your general categories, your borders, your wording, your rhinestone, stamp, everything. But if you go down to the bottom, to the very bottom, you'll see one more category down there, and that is your Vinyl Auto Blade. So if you click on that, you'll see that these are the designs that loaded. This doesn't mean that these are the only designs that you can cut with your Vinyl Auto Blade. It just gave you designs. I mean, these are the ones that live in your program. So with the Vinyl Auto Blade kit, that would be the blue cartridge. It has a really super fine blade. And with that super fine blade, you can cut things like heat transfer vinyl, craft vinyl, permanent stick vinyl, just the thinner vinyls, not like vinyl that you would use to make a key fob. You can, and it just does such a beautiful job. So you won't be able to find these designs in the online version. They don't load there. So the ones that you got with your Vinyl Auto Blade, and the same thing with the ones. I think you can access the ones for the Disney part if you got a Disney one, because you got some extra Disney designs with that. So let's take a look at the pattern collection. And you'll notice in this one that if you save projects in Canvas Workspace, I know I do, that you can't access them from this version of the software. It has to do with you can actually use this version of the software when you're not connected to the internet. So I think that kind of has something to do with it. However, you can get to your patterns, and but not without opening a web browser. So when you open the browser, if you bought a Disney version of the Vinyl Auto Upgrade Kit, then under Disney, you will find what you got, which is this right here. So if I do show all, these are the designs that you got with the Vinyl Auto Upgrade Kit if you bought the Disney one. There's some fun ones in here. I've cut the Mickey Mouse before. It's actually really pretty. And these two are as well. And this is really pretty too. So you have a lot of fun stuff that you can play with. But if I go back to Canvas Workspace and I go to Pattern Collection, there is no pattern collection listed under here that goes with your Vinyl Auto Upgrade Kit. It's living in the other version of Scan and Cut Canvas. So if I go ahead and close this, then you can see that it's here in this version. So they each look a little bit different. I kind of like the app. I like the app for different things, but especially for rhinestones. I love the app with the rhinestone program, but also the Vinyl Auto Upgrade Kit. Hopefully this helps.